Here, I just took a big handful. It's not because they stink. Here, look at this. Look at these babies. Look at these.
Wow. Nice.
They are so, my goodness. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Wow. This is all because of this special, look up down here. Yeah. Oh. Okay, I'm going to put them back because they're very happy worms. Thank you. My worm farm's working. Wow. Happy days. Okay, that's good, honey. This is just this is tripping me out. Look at how much. They're just like, oh my god. This is like, oh my gosh. I can't believe how good this is. Can you see them in there? Poor babies. Look I gotta get them back to their house. They want to go eat something or have another baby. What do you think, Buzz? I know, you want paper. You just